Hello and welcome. I'm at the CMT Trade Fair in Stuttgart and I've got these Knaus motorhomes and camper vans on either side of me. I'm going to come down now and show you the vehicle which is at the bottom down here, which is the Box Drive 680ME, and let's have a look inside. Now first of all I'm going to show you the price, and because if I didn't show it to you, you just wouldn't believe me. Yes, that's right, there's six figures to that. 101,206. It is, I'll just show you the this works. And so it's 684 centimeters long, just about 7 meters. Internal width 172, external width 204, and standing height only 192, 268 on the outside. This will give 870 kilos of payload on a 4-ton basis, and if you put it on 3.5 tons, then it'll give 500 kilos less. So what it's got here, it's okay, MAN. It's got this German long layout at the back. I don't know if you can call it a German layout even, really, because maybe I can't. It's not quite the same. It's a double bed really, but anyway, it's a double bed in lengthwise direction. I'll show you under the bed as well. We've got slats and a net. The net's there to stop you falling out of bed. If you think that's going to be a problem, note that this bed has an adjustable height, and that will make a huge amount of space available in the rear. Under here we find a rather more elegant display than we would in most camper vans, but then again, most camper vans don't cost over 100,000 euros. The fridge is quite standard. What isn't standard is the drawers beneath it. Here we have 2 burners, and there is, in my opinion, a large sink, although it could do with a proper domestic plug in there, in my opinion. Up here we have got storage. Let's have a look inside the washroom, and it says as an option you can have a separate shower cabin, which in a vehicle of this size is going to be rather squashed, unless this is the optional shower cabin there. So you normally have it like that, I suppose. There will be a duckboard somewhere. It's only got 2 drainage, sorry, only it's 2 drainage holes that are excellent, but it's wrong size. I think it's a small size plug, which Knaus seems to put in everything, and that's what the shower looks like if you don't want to get your toilet seat wet or something. And this thing here moves as well. If I can move it, I'm trying to move it. I'll close that like that, and that's what it should be like normally. And we even lock it in position, and that looks much nicer. There could be a reason, of course, why you want to close the shower off. Perhaps it's to keep your towels dry, keep the toilet seat dry, or something of those along those lines. I like the floor. Oh, there's a step up to the bed, and inside the step up to the bed we have storage, as you can see. Dinette could be bigger in a vehicle which is almost 7 meters in length, and storage up here. I suppose the television's supposed to go here, and there's a plug there, and on this side there is a 12-volt plug. I like a lot of space above my head, and that's me. Other people may say you want storage up there, but I say that's great. A lot of space. Here we have the MAN. I tried driving one of these at a do organised by Knaus in May, well, end of May 2019, and the thing didn't work, and I had all sorts of problems getting it started. I couldn't even get it started from the factory. Anyway, I've told that story in a couple of other videos, so I won't repeat the whole thing again now. Got your water dump there. Should it be necessary, dump your water before putting the van away for its winter break. It's got a 10-year water ingress guarantee. Good luck to anybody who tries claiming on it. It's got seats, framed windows, and here we've got it says the closed cold bridges for optimal insulation.
Einen wunderschönen guten Morgen, liebe Besucherinnen und Gäste, liebe Ausstellerinnen und Aussteller. 8 Tage TNT liegen bereits hinter uns. Der heutige Tag steht uns aber zum Glück noch bevor. Genießen Sie also die Urlaubsbestände heute nochmal in vollen Zügen. Es kann losgehen, denn die Halle öffnen jetzt.
Yeah, I got something about hole 5, but that was about it there. The bed will go up and down. It says there about optimal insulation. There isn't any insulation in the doors, I can hear that. That is not good, certainly the €100,000. Small gas canister there, heating via diesel, assuming that you don't want to run out of diesel. This is a great idea, and I noticed here that it has been broken. Now these things are really strong, I've got to say, in my own experience. I had one of these on, and I put a pan in it which was far too big, but the whole thing came off the wall. So the elastic part didn't break, but it took a bit of the wall with it, so the screws weren't strong enough. Anyway, so I think that's it's very positive. Anyway, I've done other videos on that system. Okay. Charger for the battery. Thing about this, of course, is you get all of this space. If you can put the bed up, there's a stack of space inside. We've got another one here, another box drive, 680ME. I see people have got in because they've opened up this event for the day, so I'm not going to show you this. What I can, of course, show you is the price. And once more, if I hadn't have told you, you wouldn't have believed me. Believe it or not, they're €111,009. This is not the most expensive camper van on this site. Oh, people have come out, so I'll just walk in and try and say something about it. I like the elegant display here. This got a central shower. Knaus is the only company that continues to do this shower. Okay, it does save space a bit, but it is you're running a lot of risk with water spilling over, particularly as it's only got small drainage holes. It's got four of them, but I can see there being water all over the insides of the vehicle with that. To get into the toilet, one must open this and this. Oh, now we've got this, and there it is. There's the toilet. If you can get through that far, you can see where the toilet is. Right. Good. But it does have this clever bed at the back. Let's walk out. Don't know if I've managed to put these people off purchasing this. Okay, so there you have it. I don't recommend Knaus. There's other brands which are cheaper, which are better, have better customer service, and I would look to them for something like this. Have a look at Megamobile, which is considerably cheaper, and it's considerably better. They're incomparably better. So that's my way of thinking. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. All the best from me in Germany.